Very by the tower. Alas, that is a slip. Manong Tapales. Oh! Not right! Connected for Marlon Tapales.
Shot and right hook on top of the canvas.
Hit connect for Tapales.
Sensing blood in the water, Marlon Tapales moves forward, but Chaka Il is unfazed. Let's go, those hands.
Next time to counter.
I like how Marlon cuts the ring. This is
Left straight hit connect for the nightmare. Marlon Tapales. Tapos, yung isa kaliwa. Yung isa